Section 13 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 3, September, 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Louise Meany. The Fox. A sly dog. Somehow people always say that when they see a fox. I'd rather they would call me that than stupid, however. Do I look stupid in my picture? "Look pleasant," said the man, when taking my photograph for birds, and I flatter myself I did. And intelligent too. Look at my brainy head, my delicate ears, broad below to catch every sound, and tapering so sharply to a point that they can shape themselves to every wave of sound. Note the crafty calculation and foresight of my low, flat brow, the resolute purpose of my pointed nose, my eye deep set like a robber's, my thin, cynical lips, and mouth open from ear to ear. You couldn't find a better-looking fox if you searched the world over. I can leap, crawl, run, and swim, and walk so noiselessly that even the dead leaves won't rustle under my feet. It takes a deal of cunning for a fox to get along in this world, I can tell you. I'd go hungry if I didn't plan and observe the habits of other creatures. For instance, I love fish. When I want one for my supper, off I trot to the nearest stream, and standing very quiet, watch till I spy a nice plump trout in the clear water. A leap, a snap, and it is all over with Mr. Trout. Another time I feel as though I'd like a crawfish. I see one snoozing by his hole near the water's edge. I drop my fine bushy tail into the water and tickle him on the ear. That makes him furious. Nobody likes to be wakened from a nap that way. And out he darts at the tail. Snap go my jaws, and Mr. Crawfish is crushed in them, shell and all. Between you and me, I consider that a very clever trick too, don't you? Summer is my favourite season of the year. How I love the green fields, the ripening grain, the delicious fruits, for then the rabbits prick up their long ears and, thinking themselves out of danger, run along the hillside. Then the quails skulk in the wheat stubble, and the birds hop and fly about the whole day long. I am very fond of rabbits, quails, and other birds. They make a very satisfactory meal. For dessert I have only to sneak into an orchard and eat my fill of apples, pears, and grapes. You perceive I have very good reason for liking the summer. It's the merriest time of the year for me, and my cubs. They grow fat, and saucy too. End of section 13. This recording is in the public domain.